Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the phone stays on, charge it above 10% and keep a quiet environment. Now open Settings, tap Additional Settings, then Accessibility. This is where Talkback lives. Once there, find the Talkback toggle and the text-to-speech output section. Make sure you can reach both so you can switch modes. You do this because changing speech engines or toggles may fix misbehavior, and you want direct access for the next steps. Once Talkback is off, proceed to text-to-speech settings and select a stable engine like Google TTS. You do this because a corrupt engine often causes issues. Next, go to Apps, Show System Apps, find Talkback or Accessibility Suite, and clear cache and data. This resets corrupted preferences. After clearing, reboot the phone to ensure changes apply. Make sure to use the two-finger gestures only when Talkback is active. They differ from normal navigation. After reboot, re-enable Talkback and follow the setup tutorial so gestures and verbosity are set correctly. You do this to confirm baseline behavior. Then test core apps, home screen, phone, messages, settings, to verify speech consistency. If you still hear garbled or missing output, check for system updates and install them because vendor patches often fix accessibility bugs. Finally, if nothing works, back up your data and perform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.